Alright, so I got a 2015 Chrysler 200. I'm finna show y'all how to do the starter on it. Now, it's not an easy job. I'm gonna start by saying that. I already got it off. I don't have the starter all the way out, so I just want to show y'all what I had to do. First, I had to take the battery out. Two 10mm bolts. Boom, pull it out. And I took the computer module off. You'll lift these tabs up, and then as you lift them up, they'll eject themselves off of the computer. And then there's gonna be a 10mm bolt right there, 10mm bolt right there, and then it's sit into these little clamps on the sides. And you'll pry it out. After you pry it out, I believe you'll have this wire attached on the side of it. You'll get it off with one of these. Then you got 3 wires on the other side. Boom, boom, boom. You'll get them off with one of these. And then you'll be able to get that out. And then you'll have a better view of the starter. Unless you want to just hit it from the bottom. Now, when you get, it's going to be 2, I'm going to show you from the bottom, it's easier. So when you get under here, you'll have 6 10mm bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They'll be here, here, and there. And then your starters here. So it's 2 15mm bolts right there and right there. You'll take those 2 out, and then your starter will be loose. In order to get this exhaust out, you got 4 10mm bolts that sit there. Now that I'm under here, because I just jacked it up, it's probably best to just do it from the bottom. You got a lot of access to everything from down here, and it's a lot easier. Now, after you get those top 4 bolts out, you'll have a 13mm here and a 13mm here. And that'll allow your exhaust to drop down far enough for you to get that starter out. So now I'm at the point where I can grab the starter and get it up out of there. And then I have to disconnect my lines. So you got this line here in the back. It's just got a simple push tab on it, which is destroyed. Oh my goodness, this is horrible. Okay, that's probably his problem. So we got that push tab, and then we got a 13mm on the back of this positive right here. So I'm gonna need both hands in order to do that. But I felt like I needed to make a video for this because I'm only seeing 2.6s, and this is a 3.6. This is not the usual. This is a pain in the ass, to be honest with you. This is a 3.6, and it is just no space in this thing. There's no space. But if this video helped you, I hope it did. Like and subscribe. Once again, take the battery out. Take the computer out. Well, if you're doing it from the bottom, you don't have to do that. Disconnect the battery. And then come under here. Take the sheet down. Take the 4 10mm bolts out. Take the 2 15mm bolts out. 13mm, 13mm. This will come down. Make sure you don't fray these lines. Then your starter is here, 13mm on the back, and a push tab on the for the negative. And that's to it. Let's put it back together. That's it.